Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is business analyst roles and responsibilities. So many of us have question in the mind like what exactly the business analyst will do on day-to-day basis. So I would like to reveal the answer in this video. So don't skip this video. I also would like to ask you one question in middle of the video. If you give the answer correctly in the comment section, I will throw some Amazon coupons or Flipkart coupons to you. So let's get started. First role for business analyst is requirement gathering. That is a key role for business analyst. Collaborating with the stakeholders to identify, document business needs and objectives. So, business analyst needs to collaborate with multiple stakeholders to identify business document needs, exactly what exactly the business people wants or what exactly the stakeholders wants, right? For example, conducting interviews with different departments in the company to understand their workflows and challenges. I would like to give the example like if you are working as a business analyst and you require to know the particular requirement for the specified project or product. So firstly, you require to understand the workflows. For that, you need to conduct few meetings with the business people. Okay. So I have given another example over here. A business analyst working for a software development company interviews the key stakeholders from client organization to gather detailed requirement for new mobile application they want to build. So let's consider you want to build one new mobile application or your client want to build one new mobile application, and there are multiple departments, okay, in that company, and you require to take care of all the departments. So as a business analyst of that application, you require to conduct few interviews with all the department stakeholders or leads of the department stakeholders, so that you will gather all the things whatever the customer wants from all from stakeholders, and you can come up with a final requirement. Second is data analysis. So, analyzing data to uncover insights and trends that can support the decision making. So, as a business analyst, you require to take some decisions regarding requirements, regarding documentation, regarding how the software will work. So, to take that decision, you require the data analysis to do the data analysis. Okay. For instance, examining sales data to identify patterns in the customer purchasing behavior. Let's say you are developing one of the software in AI which has some pattern of customer purchasing behavior. So you require to check that pattern, and then you require to deal with that situation. Just like that, you require to do data analysis for your requirements. Okay, I've given another example. I gave two examples for each, so that you will understand it better. A business analyst for retail chain analyzes the sales data from past year to identify trends in the customer buying behavior. Same, helping the company to optimize their inventory and promotional strategies. If you analyze the pattern of customer purchasing, then you can optimize their inventory as well as you can apply some promotional strategies. Like if you are buying, means if some of the area from India, like Delhi peoples are buying only soaps a lot. So that pattern you require to understand, and accordingly you can apply the promotional strategies like advertisement and all. Yeah. Next role is process mapping, documenting and modeling the current and future business processes to identify areas of improvement. So as a business analyst, you require to work on the process mapping area as well. So whatever the process are running properly or not, that you require to ensure that, or else if there is no process in the picture, then you require to apply that process. I have given one example of manufacturing company BA who wants to apply the end-to-end production process. So as a business analyst, he or she needs to identify the insufficiencies and inefficiencies and propose the new process improvement to reduce production time and cost. So as a company is dealing with a cost, company is dealing with a time, okay, and time is directly proportional to cost. right? So as a business analyst, you require to check how you can reduce the time as well as cost. Business case development. So you, as a business analyst, you require to create some business cases for particular software, particular tool, particular functionality. You require to create that business case documents in detail level. Nowadays we are using a lot of tools like Jira, or you are using Confluence to manage all the documents or business cases. Okay, so that is one of the most important tasks for business analyst. So here I have given one example of business analyst who prepares a business case for implementation of new customer relationship management. If you are creating one CRM system, okay, and one of the business analysts needs to work on the business cases of CRM system, okay, which outlines the benefit to increase customer retention and improve sales tracking. So means overall it should have to benefit your company. Okay. Next task is solution design. Collaborating with the IT and other teams to design effective solutions that meet the business requirements. Okay. So in solution design also business analyst needs to work on. As an example, if you are working with the developers to design a user-friendly mobile application, let's say if one of the companies designing the mobile-friendly application, then you require to take care of all the requirements from customer end, stakeholders end, and you require to deal with the development team as well. You require to tell, it's your duty to tell to developers that how the customer wants the application. Okay, so that is important thing. So business analyst is taking care, business analyst takes a part in solution design as well with the architects and all other folks. Okay, then next task is testing and validation. So there is user acceptance testing part. So as a business analyst, you require to do the user acceptance testing or pre-user acceptance testing. Okay, because you took that requirements from the customer and you know how to how the software how customer wants that software or tool to be run. Okay, so creating test plans and ensuring that is implemented solutions that meet the specified requirement, that is one of the tasks for business analyst. As an example, if you are a business analyst working on online booking systems for travel agency functions correctly, so you require to test that before you are giving it to user acceptance testing to the user. Okay. Then next is change management. So assisting in smooth transition to new processes or systems by providing support and training to end users. So I would like to give you one big example for change management. So when I was working with one of the company, they wanted to switch their approach from traditional approach to Scrum approach. Okay. So at that time, business analyst is the one who requires to convert their roles from business analyst to product owner. Okay. So in that transition, also business analyst requires to help. So in change management, also you require to help. But here I have given one of the example related to industry. A business analyst assists a retail company in the implementing a new inventory management system by providing training sessions to store employees and guiding them through transition process. So it's your task uh, to give the training about the processes as well. Okay. Stakeholders communication. Maintaining clear and effective communication with stakeholder throughout the project life cycle. So business analyst is key responsible for stakeholder communication. I have given stakeholder management interview questions. I'm posting the link in the comment section, so you can go ahead and check that as well. So maintaining clear and effective communication is key task of business analysts. Okay. For an instance, updating project progress and giving regular status like scheduling weekly status report, WSR, monthly status report, MSR. So that is important for business analyst. Okay. So I told you that I will ask you one question. So what are the qualities required by business analyst? That is your question. You can comment the answer. I can throw out some Amazon coupons for you guys. Two lucky winners. Problem solving, identifying business challenges and proposing innovative solutions. That is one of the important task for business analyst. Identify business challenge and proposing innovative solutions. For example, suggesting process improvement to reduce production cost. That is one of the problem solving strategy for company. Then last is project management. As a business analyst, you require to deal with some project management tasks as well, like project planning, then coordination, ensuring deliverables are met on time, and budget. For instance, coordinating with different teams to ensure timely delivery of the project milestones. Okay, so as a business analyst, you require to deal with some project management strategies as well. Okay, sometimes he requires to play the role of project manager too. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel, click on bell icon. If you want interview questions related to business analyst in PDF form, kindly subscribe the channel or comment in the comment section. Cheers.